Hey everybody, welcome to Air Testing Made Easy. I'm James Scher, and today we're going to discuss mold and bacteria sampling using the TRI mold kit. We send out unions that have the filter membrane to collect your mold sample already built in them. There's never a reason to open this union. The union comes out double bagged and vacuum sealed to ensure that it's aseptic when it gets to you. You will need to use an input fitting designed to meet your system that adapts from our 1/4-inch NPT fitting into whatever your system has for fitting. It's important that these fittings are sterile at the time of sample collection so they don't cross-contaminate or contribute contamination to your sampling. To begin sampling, you're going to open the outer bag and remove the inner bag. The serial number for your sample will be printed on this bag. Record that information on the data sheet and remove the filter union from the bag. Immediately connect your input fitting adapter into our input fitting. Remove the orange safety cap from the filter and immediately hook to the test union. Connect to your air source. Turn on air and establish the pressure indicated on your instructions. Allow the sample to run through the filter until the expiration of the time indicated in the instructions and shut off the air source. Immediately disconnect the union and recap. Remove your input fitting adapter and rebag the sample, ensuring that you get a tight seal. Additional bags are provided in your test kit so that you may double bag your sample prior to returning to the lab for analysis. Samples should be returned to the lab within 10 days of sample collection date to ensure that they're viable. If you have any additional questions about sampling, please contact us at 512-263-0498.